Guys, this has to be my most favorite customer review ever. Somebody compared the Barney Bed to the Nokia 3310. And honestly, they're not wrong. For those of you who are old enough to know the Nokia 3310, it was indestructible. You could throw it off the top of a skyscraper, take the lift down, and then use it to call your mum. And that's basically the Barney Bed, but for dogs. No sagging, no flattening, no falling apart. Just pure comfort that's gonna last your dog years. This customer says that she's had their Barney beds for 6 years, and other dog owners that come and see the beds, they can't believe that she's had them for 5+ years and they still look brand new.